My name is Joyce. I'm a first-year education major at UC Riverside. Right now, I am living at the on-campus apartment North District. I am currently living in a 2-bed, 2-bath, sharing it with 3 other roommates. And I decided I wanted to give you a room tour. So this is the door to the room. When you come straight to the door, to the left is the restroom. To the right is my side of the room. This is what the restroom looks like. This is my side of the counter, and then this is my roommate's side. These are all basically my toiletries, skincare, toothbrush, everything like that. Here is the sink. Right here has cotton pads and Q-tips. And this is the restroom. This has all the girl stuff, pads, tampons, whatever. The toilet, and then the plungers is over there. This is where we take showers at. Has all our shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatnot. And then right here, we store our toilet paper. Right here, more toilet paper. And right here has more tampons, pad, Q-tips, and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, leaving the restroom has our roommate's mini fridge. It stores all of our drinks in here. It is fully stacked, as you can see. And on top of it just has pre-workout, goldfish, vitamin C's, and then more stuff in here. And on the ground next to it, it just has water bottles and cooked rice and whatever stuff is there. And then on this side has my Okay, so this is Annis, my roommate. She's in lecture right now, and this is basically her side of the room. And then this is my side. It's quite messy. Right here has her closet and my closet. The closet door is basically mirrors, and I have a random bare carpet near mine for no reason. Inside my closet has obviously clothes. It's actually really messy. It has the storage thing, my laundry basket, and then it has all my jackets and sweatshirts in here. On top of it is just regular storage. Right here it has all my hats. So this is my mirror that I brought from home. It actually lights up when you press on it. Why is it not lighting up? There we go. In here has all my jewelry, perfume, rings, has extra makeup and sunglasses in here. It's a cool mirror. I got it for $100 at Walmart. Below that is a shoe rack where I store all my shoes. This box, it has all my rave stuff in there and a box of masks. Right here is my desk. It's where I'm supposed to do my schoolwork at, but I usually don't do my schoolwork on my desk because I usually do it on my bed, which is a really bad habit. My camera just died. But basically, this is my desk. Yeah, so underneath has my makeup, tissue paper, and then basically junk underneath here. Clorox wipe, my iPad is there, a trash can, more masks. Basically, random stuff that I have for storage. And on top of my desk has my comb. This is a mirror that I use when I do my makeup. And this is actually a bowl that I made. If you didn't see the last video, this is the bowl I painted. A fish right here. I store my jewelry in here. I bought this thing. Underneath has my vitamins, eye drops, stuff like that. And then on top of here has my marker, my pen, blue light glasses with a butterfly hair clip. And this thing just has a fake flower, a candle. As you can see, it's a body figure. And this is a picture of my grandma. And then these are just pictures I took with my friends. Next to it is just a basic lamp. Has tissue paper, my speaker, and then this is more wipes. So in this pile just has my antibiotics for my skin. This is a melatonin spray, and this is pills. As you can see, I have problems with sleeping. And then this is just almost empty water bottle that I usually drink at night. And then that's also more light in case I don't have enough light. So right here is my bed. I recently added this blanket because it's been cold. I just have a white silk pillow. Underneath is just a green comforter. It's a duvet cover, and then inside is just a comforter. On my bed I just have a toast plushie and my penguin and my blanket. And on my wall has Pokemon. These are random posters I just have on my wall. Right here is a bit messy. It has my house and car keys on this lanyard. And this lanyard basically has my room key with my AirPods. Below my bed, right here, I basically store all my snacks, my Pocky, Milano, chocolate, whatever. These drawers basically have all my clothes. In here, I just have all my tank tops color coordinated. And here, basically have my underwear, socks, bra, whatever. This is my school backpack. my eggplant slippers. Okay, so right here has all my pants, my jeans, and then right here has all my workout stuff. This bin actually have random stuff, as dresses, tights, and fuzzy socks. And then I have my purses and wallet. And overall, my carpet looks like this. It's a Totoro carpet that I got from AliExpress for like $50. It's very worth it though. It's very soft. I also forgot to show that above my desk has my favorite people. This is Blackpink and this is Cha Eun-woo from Astro. Lisa, Jisoo, Jennie, and Rose. They are my favorite. So basically, this is an overview of my side of the room, my roommate's side of the room, and then the restroom.